Mario.
Hello guys and welcome again into my YouTube channel Crypto Mario. So guys, before we start, as always, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a professional analyst or an economic expert. I'm just sharing with you my experience and conviction. So before investing in any project that you see in my channel, do your own research, and every decision you make, you are responsible for it, whether it succeeds or fails. So guys, let's get into it. Hello guys and welcome to Famestate, one of the cheapest SMM panel all over the globe. Here Famestate leads to realm of automated social networking service, and they have the greatest price of reseller and direct client on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube and Spotify with 24-hour and 7-day support. They ensure on-time delivery and client satisfaction. So first, let's go and register a new account in their platform. Here I will use Crypto Mario as my username. On the email I will put my real email, and here we can use our WhatsApp number. It's recommended. Then the password, you must choose a wise password, then confirm it down below. Here guys, click I'm not a robot and click register. Wait a few moments and you can see here your platform and your dashboard. Here we have the orders, the mass order, some of the future, if you want to contact them, and a video of a tutorial how to use it. For example, here we have a lot of options. For example, they have Instagram likes, a verified comment, YouTube views, YouTube subscriber, Facebook as well, Telegram, Spotify, Thread, Snapchat, and a lot of orders or a lot of category they have. For example, if you want to use, for example, the Instagram, let's say Instagram likes, here we have a three service. For example, here $0.09 per 1,000. It's very cheap as well. We have here the YouTube like. Here we have the cheapest one, the super fast one, and instant for $1.20 per 1,000 like. Here you can set the link to the YouTube video that you want to send the 1,000 like. We have here the quantity, the minimum is 20 and the maximum is 50,000 of the likes, and here you can see the charge. Here we have the service, guys. If you want to see all the service they have, here we have the orders they have, and as you see here, they have more than 500,000 total order. So that means their user trust them. Here a ticket, if you have an issue with your order, you can select the subject of your ticket. Then for example, for order, you can select the option if you want to cancel, to refill, to speed up, to restart, and submit the ticket. Here we have some update, the API, and they have a great affiliate link. You can use my referral link that I will put under the description, and you have 5% of the commission rate, and the minimum payout will be 10 USD. We have here as well the child, the panel, and the mass order. So guys, now let's go and add some fund. Here we have a lot of methods like USD, MasterCard, PayPal, Cash App, Binance Pay, Perfect Money. We have here as well, if you want to pay with Bitcoin, they have a lot of method of paying. So I prefer to pay with USD, so I will choose the USD. So after that, you have here the wallet that you will send the money into it. Here we have the USD 3020, ERC20, and BIP20. After the transfer is successfully done, kindly open a ticket and let them know the amount that you transfer and the TXID so that they can add the fund to your balance manually. If you don't want to pay it manually, you can use by year. Here you must set amount, the minimum is $20. So here you can put the money that you want to pay. For example, as I told you before, I pay with the USDT. Here we have as well the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, and a lot of options. So let's go now. Here, click like this and copy it, then go to your Binance or your wallet in your laptop and paste this address and send the money that you want to it. So guys, after and I transfer the $10 to this, and as you see the minimum payment will be 10 USD. You can open a ticket and let them the amount that you transfer with the TX ID. So let's go now and open a new ticket. Here choose the subject, so let's put the payment, select the payment option. I pay with USDT, so let's put here the, let's say, cryptocurrency. Select the payment ID or the transaction ID. Here the amount that I put, 10 USDT. Here the email that I use to transfer the money to it, and here I will use the TX ID. So send it to this, and here click submit a ticket. Then wait a few moments until they you see here the statue is answered, and you will see here your balance. You can see it here. Here we have some announcement about the new on Famestate. They added a lot of option here, some of their ID of the order that you want. You can also see here the junior level. You can upgrade your rank statue as well. So guys, after you send them the ticket, here you can see the payment is answered, and when we click you can see here the payment is already added like this, and here you can see your balance in 10 USDT. So let's go for example, and here you can select the order that you want to use. For example, let's test with YouTube likes or something like this. So here we have YouTube likes, we have YouTube the cheapest, the super fast. So I will go with the instant start. I like the instant start. They save me money and time. Here guys, you can see YouTube likes, instant start, up to 100,000 like per day, and it have the lowest rate in the market. So let's go, for example, I want to buy likes with this video. Here we have almost 200 likes, so I will copy the link here like this, or you can simply go to share and click copy like this. After that, go back and put the link into the link field, then select the quantity. For example, I want to buy 1000, let's say, and let's click submit, and here's the magic start working. So after a few moments you will see the likes increase time per time. So let's wait a few moments and we will get back to see how much like we got. So guys, after just a few moments you can see here the likes increase, and you can see the difference between before and now. So let's refresh the page one more time to see. As you see guys, we reach 200 more in just a second. So it's a great platform for the SMM or the social media marketing platform. So here you can see your order, your last order, you can see the remain, and you can see how much you charge. Here you can see the link, the date, and if you have an issue you can copy this ID and go to the ticket and choose the subject of your ticket. Here guys, they have a lot of order and I almost test them and they are all great for the fast and for their ability to send you the full order in your video. They have also an Instagram likes. They have a lot of choice. You can already buy some Spotify service here. For example, Spotify saves, plays. It's a great tools, brothers. So here we have already the Snapchat service as well, the TikTok. So I want to buy, for example, for my last post in Instagram, I want to buy some likes. So let's go directly to my Instagram like this. I will put here my username. So I will now buy some of the Instagram account. So guys, here my Instagram. So I will go to my last post like this. We will copy the link from it. As you see, I have 11,000 likes. So I will go here and for example, I will choose here the high quality. Then we will copy the link like this from my last post. I will choose for example 5,000 of the quantity, and as you see, it's very cheap price. So you can buy up to 500,000 likes for just a $60, and it's a great price, brothers. So let's submit like this. And we are now successfully purchasing 5,000 likes to my last Instagram post. Here our last video, if you remember, we keep it in 200 and up to 400, but now let's go and check it and you will see the amount is unbelievable. Here you can see it's almost 1,000 in just 30 minutes. Here you can see we buy it in 30 and now it's just it's not almost 30 minutes, guys, so it's super fast. So let's go here. As you see here, we have 11,000. Let's refresh the page and check it again, and as you see, it's almost 30,000 in just a second, guys. So it's a great service and a great price they give to their customer, and I believe it will be one of the top SMM platform of all over the globe. So guys, all the links that's important, I will leave it in the description, including my referral link. So my guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like and share this video. Bye folks, see you in another video.